Machiegni kendo nyakuram gajwanga chenro en migago wadhi mbele gi weche manyien ateri nyaka Kaunti ma Kisumu. Sirikand Kaunti ma Kisumu komakore kod LAPTRUST ochako chenro mar gero ute 200,000 e kar dak ma Anderson mayudre Kisumu Central. Gino ma igeno ne dhi konyo oganda yudo ute manyasani kendo manengogi oyweyo. En gedo madhi kawo dweche 27 kendo idhi ger udi mag kuonde nindo 1, 2 kod 3. Gino ma igeno ni koro dhi duoko chien dwaro mar udi kaluwore kod kwan ji mamedore e boma ma Kisumu. Chenro mar gedo no bende biro konyo chiwo thuolo mag tije lwedo ne ojende mantiere kod lony e alwora ma Kisumu kendo bero yuto margi.
We are very excited to move this partnership that we have with the Kisumu County government. We have signed a contract with our contractor, and today we are showing him the site. As the city manager indicated, is that we are at the final stages of finalizing all statutory compliance issues, and we look forward, subject to His Excellency the Governor's availability, once all the preliminary items, the securing of site is completed, to break ground. We are going to build more than 1,000 housing units here. It's a major investment in the region, and the project will take the next 27 months.
Today we have handed over the site. We have been handed over the site to us, and in the coming 2 weeks we will finish the holding and maybe a perimeter wall. And as just now the project manager said that we are going to complete the works in the coming 27 months. We hope to bring benefit to the Kisumu citizens and the Kisumu government.
We started with the Makasembo. You see, it's getting a new facelift. Very beautiful houses are coming up, and 50%, 70% is sold off. So we are Anderson here. Anderson is coming up, and Lumumba also. The president might come very soon to do groundbreaking.